No. No! Yo, give it back!
Welcome to Where Fur Meets Funny. Today we're proving why corvids are the absolute agents of chaos.
Are you friendly? Oh! Oh! Am I getting... What sort of mafia action is this?
Look at that innocent whistle when the cat turns around.
Leave! No! Leave him alone! Go away!
The size difference is hilarious, but the magpie's audacity is winning.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Never mess with a corvid unless you want it to call its whole squad.
How's the neighborhood?
We need to get him out of there.
Caught stealing, and the thief is staying under the radar.
Wee, wat men? Stjäler du snöbollen? Vad ska du hen med den helmen? Den är stor.
Would you like to show them what you just brought me? 2 beautiful sticks. Thank you. Thank you for these sticks.
Move along, citizens. Nothing to see here but bird business.
Hi, girl. You missed it? I love you too.
You look like a dinosaur. I know. I know. You're just a little baby. Huh.
The crow is the referee who decided to pick a side. The magpies are clearly the ones coaching the koala for the Animal Olympics.
Get out of my house. Is that what you reckon?
Geliyor benimki. Günaydın. Ha, bu kızıma.
The horse has finally found a grooming crew he can trust.
I have to go.
Excuse me, I'm just gonna my bad, sir. Sorry, sir. I'm just gonna, please don't kill me. Have a nice day.
Crows are expert tool users. The bristles need some fixing.
Would you like something to eat? Okay. I'll find you something. Here you go. Here. Here. Turn around. There you go.
You're welcome.
What? That was so cute.
It's like a toddler fighting a mountain, isn't it? You sure you didn't sign up for an inspection for your helmet? They're definitely composing their first avant-garde jazz album.
Hello.
I'm 90% sure these ravens are about to steal someone's sandwich.
Ow.
Yeah, on you, yeah, the cat's gone. On the arm. That's it. Is that good?
Forget a watch. This man has a Magpie X now. Expect shiny trash on your doorstep as tribute soon. Two weeks for him to decide you aren't a scarecrow in disguise.
Hi, did you miss me? Hi, lovey. Hi. Hi. What'd you you do today? What'd you do today?
Wait until you see his castle. Gonna blow your mind. Think these birds are geniuses or just crazy? Let us know in the comments. See you soon.